I think multi-grade is a class that has two or more grades in one classroom under the guidance of one teacher. The term used in our area is combination of classes. Yes, some of the examples are familiar. No, I did not experience any of those examples, for I have not attended any multi-grade classes. As I read a story, I realized that teaching multi-grade is not easy to handle. And if I will have my children someday, I will not allow my children to attend multi-grade classes because it's very far from here in our place. Monograde students can bond only with their classmates, but in multi-grade students has a close bond together, no matter what age and grade they are. In monograde classes, the teacher can find difficult to handle their students with special needs because it has a lot of students, while in multi-grade classes, teacher can focus their students with special needs. Teachers who teach in monograde classrooms may receive training that is focused especially on teaching one grade level. For example, a teacher who only teaches first grade students might receive training on how to teach reading to young learners, how to manage behavior in the classroom, and how to assess students' progress in the first grade. In multi-grade training, teachers who teach in multi-grade classroom may receive training that is focused on teaching multiple grade levels at the same time. This might include training on how to differentiate instruction for students of different ages and abilities, how to manage classroom with multiple grade levels, and how to create assessment that accurately measures the progress of students in different grade levels. So the ideal number of students in monograde classes is 35 students, while in multi-grade classes has only 6 to 7 number of students. The curriculum in monograde classroom is typically focused on the specific grade level that the students are in. The teacher is responsible for teaching all the subjects in the curriculum to their students. The curriculum in multi-grade classroom is typically more complex and requires the teacher to be able to teach multiple grade levels and subjects simultaneously. The teacher must use a curriculum that is flexible enough to accommodate the different levels and abilities of the students in the classroom. Monograde teachers receive their regular salary. On the other hand, multi-grade teachers receive extra 50% hardship from their regular salary. Monograde teachers should be attentive to the needs of their students, while multi-grade teachers should be flexible and hardworking all the time. Monograde can have all the resources needed, while in multi-grade, especially in the remote areas, is lack of resources like books, chairs, instructional materials, and others. As we observe, the classroom management of the school is that the teacher uses differentiated instruction, and the number of children is 6 to 7. In lectures, teacher use same objectives in grade 1 and 2, but the activities are not the same. So according to the teacher I interviewed, that the activities she used in grade 1 is more on pictures or guessing the pictures, while in grade 2 is more on drawing or writing. But the teacher focused more on literacy and numeracy. And the support received by the teachers from the community is not enough. The most challenging part for the teacher is getting her way to school, for the reason that the only way to get there is walking a steep way for more than an hour. especially during rainy seasons. Multi-grade teaching is an educational approach where a single teacher instructs students from different grade levels within the same classroom. This approach is often used in rural or remote areas where there may not be enough students to justify separate classrooms for each grade level. Monograde teaching allows for a more focused and specialized approach to instruction, with teachers able to tailor their lesson and activities to the specific needs and abilities of a single grade level, while multi-grade teaching requires teachers to be more flexible and adaptable in their approach, as they must design lessons and activities that can accommodate the diverse learning needs and abilities of students from different grade levels. For me, multi-grade teaching is about being flexible and feasible teacher.